Hello students, I Professor Rajeshwari Sharma here and this lecture is for the BCom 5th Sem for the subject Indian Economy. In our last few lectures we have started with the chapter India's population, and under this chapter we have discussed the concepts of India's population, then the features of India's population, then we have seen the causes of population explosion in India and the effects of population explosion on the economic development of the country. In today's lecture, we are going to see the remedies for the population explosion in India. Or we can say we are going to discuss the various measures which can be used to control the population explosion in countries like India, and especially we will talk about the measures to control population explosions in India. So let's start. See, when we talk about the population explosion and the measures to control the population explosion, so it is basically divided into three parts, that is social measures, economic measures and other measures. So we will discuss all three measures. So let's begin with the social measures. So first one over here is minimum age of marriage. See, in India, minimum age of marriage is fixed by law. It is 18 years for girls and 21 years for the boys. But even though there is law which prescribes the minimum age of marriage, still it is not being strictly followed. It's not being implemented. Even today in rural areas, there are many parents who are getting their children, especially the girl child, married at the age of 16 years, at the age of 17 years. So this, even though there is law, but it is not being implemented properly, it is not being followed properly. So minimum age of marriage is fixed by the law, so it should be implemented, it should be followed by the people. Such measures should be taken so that the law can be followed strictly by the people, so that it will help to curb the population explosion. The next one is raising status of women. See, even though we say there is gender equality, even though we say there is equal status of male and the female, or the men or the women in the society, but still nowadays at present in so many areas, especially the rural areas, there is discrimination between the men and the women. There is discrimination between the male and the female. Women are having the lower status in their family. They are not having voice in the important decision of their family, because of which they cannot give their opinion, they cannot give their suggestions while making the important decisions like the family planning. So the one of the remedy to control the population explosion is that the standard of status of women in the family should be raised by making them educated, by providing them with the empowerment, by providing them with the job opportunities, so that their status can be raised in the family. They can come out of the four walls of house. They can be given superior status in the family. They can be considered equal to the males in the family. They will have the important. They will have their voice in the important decisions of the family. If that will happen, so population can be curbed up to certain extent, because when women are going to be educated, they are going to be they are going to have the good status in the family, they are going to have the knowledge about the family planning and all, so it will help to curb the population explosion to a great extent. So it is one of the remedy to control population explosion. The next one is spread of education. See, when we talk about the education, so education changes the outlook of the people. When the people are educated, they are more concerned about their career, they are more concerned about the size of family, they are more concerned about the standard of living. So when the people get educated, either male or female, so their outlook towards the different thing gets changed. And one of the thing is family size. So when the people are educated, they are more aware about the family planning programs, they are more aware about the birth control measures, so they can use all these things, and it will help to curb the problem of population explosion in countries like India. So therefore there should be the spread of education. The next one is change in social outlook. See, when we talk about the change in social outlook, so it needs to be broad. Change in social outlook needs to be broad because it makes people's thinking process, it makes people's thought process different. When in India, there is general tendency that people shoulders responsibility to each other. People thinks the way that when the population of India is around 139 crores, and if I'll be having one or two child, so how it will impact the population, how it will contribute to the population. But people should not think this way. They should consider that the population explosion will have the adverse impact on them as well. They should think that the population control is their responsibility as well. So when they are going to think in this way, when the social outlook of the people will change, when they will understand their responsibility, so automatically it will help to curb the problem of population explosion in India. And on the other hand, the social security measures should be provided to the people. Social security measures should be extended to the people to a great extent, so that they would not be having much concern about their future, like when they are going to get old, so what will happen with them, how will they survive. So when they are not going to have all these tensions in their life, so they will not be having desire for more children. So in this way, social security measures can be extended to people, and it can help to check the population explosion. So these are the social measures which can be used or which can be applied for controlling the population explosion. The next one we will see the economic measures. So first one over here is development of agriculture and industry. See, when we say there should be the development of agriculture and industry, so it implies that when there is going to be the development of the agriculture or the industrial sector, so it will be able to provide more and more job opportunities to the people. When people are going to get more and more job opportunities, so their standard of living will also improve. And when their standard of living will improve, so they will get the better facilities, they will get the better education, because of which they will be aware about the things like family planning program. They will be aware about the devices of birth control, because of which the problem of population explosion can be curbed, it can be controlled. Because when people are aware about all these things, so they will have the knowledge, they will be getting aware with the advantages of the small families, and because of that problem of population explosion can be curbed in the country. So development of agriculture and industry is one of the remedy to curb the problem of population explosion. The next one is improved standard of living. So how the improved standard of living will help to curb the problem of population explosion? See, when the standard of living of the people increases, it gets improved. So people get better quality of life, they get better quality of education, and because of this their mindset gets changed. Because of this their thinking process or the thought process gets changed. They understand they understand the importance of the small families. They just they shift from primitive thought process to the modern thought process. They start understanding the importance of the small families. They start understanding the importance of the family planning program, because of which they plan the small families, they adopt the norms of small families, and it helps to curb the population explosion. It helps to check the increasing population. So this way improved standard of living helps in controlling population. The next one is more employment opportunities. When the people are being provided with the more employment opportunities, like when more and more small scale industries or the cottage industries are being set up in the rural areas, whereby the people are getting jobs. When they are going to get jobs, when both the parents are going to be working, like male and female both are getting the jobs in their respective areas, and both the parents are working, so additional children would be considered as burden. and when they are going to have jobs in their hands, when they are going to have employment in their hands, so their standard of living will also improve, because of which they will understand this importance of small family size. They will be aware with the benefits of the small family. So this way it will help to check the problem of population explosion. So these are the economic measures that can be taken to control the problem of population explosion. Next we will see other measures. Under other measures, first one is late marriage. See, in India we have like marriage is a universal phenomena. So it is a social binding to procure a children, but still there should be the late marriages. When there are going to be the late marriages, so the reproduction period that the people get will reduce, and because of which the number of birth will also reduce. So in India, late marriages should be encouraged, and the minimum age of marriage which is fixed by law for getting for boys and the girls, that is for girls 18 years and for boys 21 years, should be strictly followed. There should be a strict restrictions on the early marriages, and late marriage should be encouraged, so that reproduction period can be reduced, which will lead to low birth rate in the country, and it will lead to population control measures. It will help to control the population explosion. So late marriages is one of the remedy to control population explosion. The next one is family planning. Family planning program in India is introduced in year 1952. It was introduced by Government of India. At initial stage, what used to be done under this program, publicity by making use of the various means like radios, television, newspaper used to be done about the family planning program, and the family planning program centers have been set up in different villages and different centers which were allotted with the work of giving guidance regarding the family planning program to the people, and the centers were also assigned with the work to distribute free contraceptives and birth control devices to the people in order to check the population in the country. So but still this program was not that successful, but still now the people should focus on the family planning, so that family planning refers to limiting the size of family, means family planning should be planned by choice and not by chance. So family planning, people should follow the family planning program. They should understand the importance of small families. They should be aware about the use of different birth control devices, different contraceptives, so that they can plan their family in a much better manner. And when the family planning program is going to be followed by the people, when it will be implemented properly, so it will help to check the problem of population explosion in countries like India. Then next one is employment to the women. See, in earlier period or even today in some areas, especially the rural areas, it is considered that women is having lower status in the family. They are in the house for the cooking and baking. They are the responsibility for rearing and the bearing of children is of women. But if the women are provided with the employment, if the women are educated, so they will be empowered. They will be having their voice in the important decisions of the family, because of which they can give their suggestion, they can give their opinion, and especially when the women are employed, so additional children in the family will be considered as burden. When both the parents are working, so additional children will be considered as burden. So because of which people will prefer the small family size. Women will also prefer the small family size. They will understand the importance of small family size, because of which the birth rate will be reduced, and in this way it will help in checking the problem of population explosion. So these are the various measures that we have discussed in today's lecture for controlling the problem of population explosion. So here we are done with our first chapter under the third unit, that is India's population. In next lecture we are going to see the concept of population policy. Till then, go through the videos, keep studying. If you are going to have any doubts, so please contact us. You can send your doubts on WhatsApp group as well. So till then, keep studying, stay safe. Thank you.